Hey guys, I'm here in my studio with Ashley, and I was feeling lazy. We're just hanging out here. But one thing I do a lot here is I'll shoot against this white wall. I just have a white wall, it's real simple, right? And sometimes I've just got one light and I kind of play around with it, and I thought this would be a good way to show you guys what you can do with kind of minimalistic equipment if you just kind of use your environment a bit. So Ashley's over here against the white wall. And I've got a Profoto here. It's got the Magnum reflector on it, so hard, punchy light. And of course, if we aim it right at her, we're gonna get a very shadowy look. So we'll start there. I am going to start in TTL and we'll see if we go from there. One thing I will say is I'm using my 85mm. I've got it in high-speed sync. The reason why I have it in high-speed sync is because she's only got maybe like 2 feet behind her. And and because this is a corner and it adds some texture, I kind of want it to be more out of focus. So I'm gonna go shoot at f2. If I was shooting at f2 and I stayed at 2/50th of a second, you'd pick up the ambient light in the space. So without my flash on, which I'll turn off right now, 2,000th of a second at f2, we should get a black frame. Yep, we got a black frame. I'm in capture 1. Now I'm gonna turn my flash on. It's in the A group. Again, I'm in high-speed sync. Let's see what it does. Actually, let me just make sure I don't have my exposure compensation. Yep, there we go. So people ask me this all the time, I am in center weighted metering for TTL. Cool. All right, that looks pretty good. Actually, thanks for watching, guys. No, this is pretty good. Like on Ashley, this kind of works. She can take the hard light pretty well. But most people, you're not gonna want this hard light across their face. It definitely creates a certain look. But it is very specific. So if we want kind of more of a conventional look like you'd want in most people, we want to at least fill in the shadows, if not make the light softer. We make the light softer by making it bigger. Since I don't have any other accessories, we'll say, I'm gonna use my wall. So what I'm gonna do is, she's gonna be there. I'm gonna turn my light and I'm gonna do what's called feathering, right? I'm gonna turn it away from her. I'm gonna throw on the modeling light for a second so I can see where it is. And what I want is I'm going to raise it up a tiny bit too, because some of it's still going to hit her. And what I want is basically the wall light's going to come here, bounce, and then spread, right? And it's going to spread all over the place and hopefully hit her. So it's going to fill in the shadow. We're still going to get hard light, but we're going to get some fill. So let me kill the modeling light. So same settings. There we go. Now we've got still hard light. Still see the shadow behind her. You can see the shadow here. But as you can see, actually you can even see it in her eye, you've got this like beautiful reflection off the wall, creating a bit more of kind of an environmental feel, right? That's kind of nice. And again, it works for some face types. You have a little dimple on your chin right there. It makes it show up. But for a lot of people, you want kind of a big swath of soft light, right? So in order to do that, we're gonna make our light even bigger. I'm gonna actually physically turn the stand and again, raising my light, because we generally want our light to be coming from above. So I'm going to raise my light into the corner here. It's one reason why I'm in TTL, so that as I'm moving the light around, now we can see that's my light source, right? So let's see what this does. So again, we're starting in TTL, and then we'll adjust as needed. That's not terrible. That's actually a pretty decent exposure. So I think it's a smidge dark. So I'm actually just going to switch to manual now and give myself 0.2 more light. Good. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. So now, what have we got here? This is just a single light, hard source bouncing off the wall. But remember, it's bouncing off kind of a corner, right? So it's not just bouncing off a flat wall here. Because it's bouncing off the corner, we're getting like a little bit of spread in different directions. It's actually like slightly brighter behind her, and we've got a little fall off. It's actually kind of nice. Good. Nice. Good, good, good. We should feel like this. Because I'm in manual, my exposure's staying the same. Now, yeah, it actually turns her face. You'll see the shadow kind of move. And I can even come around and see what that looks like. Interesting. From that angle, the light looks different, definitely like, looks different because we were looking at the highlight before. Now we're looking at the shadow side. So if I wanted to shoot at this angle, although I don't really want to because that's not the most flattering angle on your face, to be honest with you, but I'll do it because the audience loves it. No, it's making her face look too much shadowy. Yeah, there we go. This kind of has that like natural feel to it, but it's definitely not good light. So you want to think about the direction of your light. This is almost like shooting with natural light because I can't move my fixture around, right? I can't move my light around to control the angles because I'm always going to use that wall. So because of that, I got to think about that, and we're going to keep you the way you were because that was much nicer. So we learned that. Perfect. You have one flyaway. All right, I'll just crop it. I cropped the flyaway. There we go. That's how you handle a flyaway, guys. You just crop it out. Yeah, there we go. Nice. I'm at f2, so I got to be a little more careful with my focusing. So let me move the exposure, the focus spot right to her eyeball. I'll just deal with that flyaway later. Now everybody watching the video is going to be thinking about the flyaway. Yeah, just go like this and put your hand there. There we go. That's it. Oh, she's looking. She's playing with her hair. Whenever you look at a picture and somebody's playing with their hair, it has to do with the flyaways. Good, good, good. One more. Nice. Last one. There we go. No, we can't end on that one. There we go. Good, good, good. There we go. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Nice and simple. Using, my environment, using the wall, using the high-speed sync. Just to show you, that's like I almost end the video and then I don't. This is what I do. I'm gonna switch back to TTL for a second. I'm gonna go to 250. Let's say at f8. Show you guys the difference. Yeah. So of course TTL compensated for the exposure, but you can see. Try again. We're making a similar expression. Right? Difference in sharpness between the two. So depending on what you're going for, you can choose whichever one you like. So, but that's why I chose to do it. I get that question a lot about why you use high-speed sync or when to use high-speed sync. So this is one of those times I would use it. Normally you're using it outside to kind of battle, but essentially you're going to want to use it when you want to have more shallow to the field and there's too much ambient light, so you got to battle it. So that's when I would use high-speed sync. So you could do this with a speed light or a small flash for sure, but just keep in mind that if it's very bright in the space and you're bouncing it, you lose a lot of light. So, but any flash would really work for this concept. So I'm going to put Ashley's information in the description so you guys can follow her on the various socials. Be sure to follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer, and I'll see you next time on set.